God message for you today. Setting your intentions and waiting for them to manifest can be frustrating at times. Don't lose sight of the fact there is a lot of work being done behind the scenes that you are unaware of. The key is to believe that change is happening, even though you can't see it yet. The angels and universe are busy working on your behalf. Your setbacks are behind you and you are ready for the biggest comeback. To that, trust that everything is unfolding just as it should. The bar is yet to come. Be ready to receive. You may not always know at first way certain things in your life have gone a certain way, but you need to trust they have for your highest good even if it does not seem that way. Do not try to change any situations that are beyond your control right now. Let everything be exactly as it's meant to be. Flow with it. Take one step at a time, as that is all you need to be thinking right now. Embrace the magic and miracles that come with letting go, surrendering and healing faith in divine right time. Believe in you and your capabilities. Will still continue to have confidence in your decisions and actions moving forward. You have come to an end of one cycle and an exciting new one awaits. Now is your time to shine, so have faith and courage in the knowing that you are being divinely guided and protected moving forward towards that which is for your highest good. For your highest good. Make a start on that which you would love to do. You have nothing to lose now but everything to gain by following the path of your heart, and that which is go make you truly happy. Type Amen if you believe.